We're heading out to the old Drysdale crossing. There's a big camp area out there on the river. We came across these old cattle yards. Looks like they haven't been used in a while. Some pumpkins growing in there. This is Drysdale River Station. Just went in there to get an ice cream.